bus stop glowing. Rain on the schedule board. I got to the bus stop 20 minutes too early, which really meant I arrived exactly when I needed to. The shelter stood beneath a flickering neon sign, throwing blue reflections across wet concrete. Rainwater collected near the curb, turning street lights into broken paintings. A guy in a work uniform sat at the far end of the bench, staring at traffic like he was waiting for answers instead of transportation. His lunchbox rested beside him, still unopened, like the day wasn't completely finished yet. Across the street, a convenience store cashier swept the entrance for the third time, trying to stay awake until morning. Everybody working on something, even if it was just surviving the night. Neon stop, cold rain, waiting for the next train. Keep moving through the gray, find another way. Neon stop, blue glow, watching headlights come and go. Keep walking through the dark, holding on to a spark. The route display blinked between arrival times and error messages, not committing to either one. A teenager arrived carrying the skateboard under one arm, headphones on. Living somewhere nobody else could hear. He checked the schedule once, then stopped caring. Probably learned the same lesson everybody does. The bus comes when it comes. The city decides, not you. A taxi splashed through a puddle too fast. Water rolling across the pavement, then silence again. Just rain tapping against plastic panels above us. Keeping rhythm better than any cloud. Neon stop, cold rain, waiting for the next train. Keep moving through the gray, find another way. Neon stop, blue glow, watching headlights come and go. Keep walking through the dark, holding on to a spark. The bus appeared as a pair of distant lights, small at first and growing larger through the rain. Nobody celebrated, nobody smiled, just people standing up, gathering bags, preparing to continue. The doors open with a tired hiss, warm air spilling onto the sidewalk. I stepped inside and looked back once. The bus stop already empty again, still glowing, still waiting for the next person carrying too much on a random night. Cheers. Upside down. Closing time again. I got to the mall 20 minutes before they locked the doors. Not shopping, not really. Just just needed somewhere warm to sit for a while. The food court was almost empty. Workers wiping tables, managers counting registers. The smell of fried food still floating through the air like the day hadn't fully left yet. A teenager slept the same corner 3 times, probably waiting for the clock more than the dirt. The burger place already turned off half its lights. A pizza shop employee stacked trays without looking up. Everybody finishing something, everybody ready to leave. I bought a soda I didn't need, just to have a reason to stay. Late night, empty space, same lights, different face. Keep moving through the glow. Where to next? I don't know. Late night, closing bell. Everybody knows it well. Keep walking through the haze, lost inside these days. A security guard walked past holding a radio, slow pace, long shift, the kind of walk that says you've been here all day. A couple sat near the window sharing fries, talking quietly like they forgot the rest of the world existed. I envied that for a second, not the relationship, just the ability to be present. My phone buzzed with notifications. I locked it again. Nothing urgent, nothing important, just more noise asking for attention. The cleaning crew rolled in with carts and buckets like a second shift, taking over the stage. Late night, empty space, same lights, different face. Keep moving through the glow. Where to next? I don't know. Late night, closing bell. Everybody knows it well. Keep walking through the haze, lost inside these days. One by one the signs went dark. First the coffee shop, then the sandwich place, then the ice cream stand near the escalator. Amazing how a building changes personality when the lights disappear. The music overhead finally stopped, leaving behind a silence that felt bigger than the room. I stood up, threw away the empty cup and headed toward the exit. Outside the parking lot reflected the city lights from a recent rain. Cars leaving, engine starting, another day shutting down, another one already waiting. Lights fade low, where the hours always go. Keep moving through the dark, holding on to a spark. Late night, almost gone, then suddenly it's dawn. Keep rolling through the gray, find another way. Late night, one more turn, one more lesson left to learn. Keep walking past the end and do it all again. Food court empty, escalators still running. Receipt printed. Balance looked back at me. I stopped at an ATM just after midnight because I needed cash for the week. The street was empty except for a taxi waiting at the corner, engine running, driver staring at nothing. The machine sat inside a small glass booth, fluorescent lights buzzing overhead, making everything feel colder than it was. I slid my card in, pressed the buttons, watched the loading circle spin. Funny how a few numbers on a screen can change your mood. Faster than a bad day, faster than good news. The machine counted bills, printed a receipt, and suddenly I was standing there doing math in my head again. Late night, receipt slip, money comes, money dips. down the road. I folded the receipt and shoved it in my pocket, like hiding it would change it. Across the street, a convenience store was still open. A guy stocking shelves looked more awake than I felt. I bought a bottle of water, nothing else. The cashier wished me a good night without looking up. Probably said it 100 times already on the way back outside. I noticed a guy sitting on a bicycle near the bus stop, scrolling through his phone, waiting for someone, or maybe avoiding someone. Hard to tell these days. Everybody standing somewhere between arrival and escape. Late night, receipt slip, money comes, money dips. Keep moving through the strain, do it all again. Late night, cold screen, living somewhere in between. Keep pushing through the load, walking down the road. I drove home through empty streets, passing apartment windows still glowing. Somebody working late, somebody watching TV, somebody probably staring at their own problems. The city never really sleeps, it just changes shifts. I got home and emptied my pockets onto the table. Keys, coins, the receipt. I looked at it one more time, then folded it smaller. Not because the numbers changed, because tomorrow still had to happen. And worrying tonight wasn't paying anything either. Late night, numbers fade. Another bill, another trade. Keep moving through the storm, trying to stay warm. Late night, street lights glow, where the money always goes. Keep rolling through the gray, find another way. Late night, one more climb, one more overtime. Keep walking through the doubt, you'll figure it out. Receipt to my wallet, morning on the horizon. Waiting platform. No clear direction. I stood between two trains of thought and neither one arrived on time. One pulled me toward leaving everything behind. The other told me to stay exactly where I was. Both sounded like truth, both felt like noise. The station lights hummed above my head, casting shadows that didn't belong to anyone. A speaker announced arrivals in a language I barely listened to because I was already somewhere else. Inside my own hesitation, people passed me like decisions I hadn't made yet. Between two trains, no name, just motion without a frame. Keep moving through the night, under fading light. Between two trains, still wait for a signal that might be too late. Keep walking through the dark, holding on to a spark. One train arrived and didn't feel different from the platform, like movement and stillness had agreed to blend. Doors open, closed, people disappeared into destinations they already accepted. The other train never showed up, but I kept looking anyway, just in case. Absence is also a form of arrival. A man beside me checked his watch every 30 seconds, as if time might change its mind if observed closely enough. It didn't. Time rarely negotiates, it only proceeds. Between two trains, no name, just motion motion without a frame. Keep moving through the night under fading light. Between two trains, still wait for a signal that might be too late. Keep walking through the dark, holding on to a spark. Eventually I understood the platform wasn't asking me to choose. It was just letting me stand in the space between choices where most life actually happens. Not in arrival, not in departure, but in the hesitation between them. The sky started turning from black to gray, and both trains became less important than the fact that I was still here, still deciding, still moving internally even while standing still. Between two trains, still flows through the place that nobody knows. Keep moving through the strain, through the quiet rain. Between two trains, no wind, just the path that bend. Keep rolling through the dark, holding on to a spark. Between two trains, one last breath. Between movement and rest, keep going. Don't explain, the choice begins again. Platform fades slowly, but the waiting stays.